finally time for vacation. Jane, look at the time. We're late. We have to hurry. But packing a suitcase is an art. You'll never guess what you'll need on the beach. That's why you should just take everything, just in case. Almost done. We made it. Let's go. Ocean, here we come. But the vacation is canceled. Planes don't wait for latecomers. It's not fair. What do we do now, Lily? Sit in our room all summer? That's an idea. Let's build a pool here and plant palm trees. Our own beach. Good thinking, Jane. It's going to be a huge project. And let's start by clearing the site. We'll remove everything we won't need. The pool will take up all the space. The bed doesn't belong here. And the walls should be clean. No paintings. And then you can get rid of the other furniture. That's a lot of space. What's next? I have so many beach ideas. Soon the room will be completely summer ready. We forgot something. Let's change. You're right, Jane. That's better. The construction team is ready to work. Okay, where do we start? Follow me, Lily. We'll make a bar. We need more building materials. Let's go, Jane. The pallets are in place. Now we can use the screwdriver. Let's join the parts into one piece. And it's done. That was easy. The pink countertop looks so bright, beachy style. But we're not done. We need a canopy, and it will be held by these sticks. But how do we secure them? Don't worry, Lily. We'll think of something. Great. Metal corners will do the job. And then attach the holders. Use lots of rope. And the roof for the rack is easy to make. We'll put the crossbeam here. And we will secure the other parts with twine. Nice teamwork. But the bar needs more beach sheet. Let's make it happen. This awning looks very summery. Use lots of flowers, too. What a colorful design. Eco-style is just what you need for a beach atmosphere. Jane, let's put the bar over there. Great idea. And we'll hang brightly colored shelves of drawers on the wall. They will hold so many goodies. Jane, we need a palm tree now! Let's do this, Lily! And all the details are already here. Jane is making the trunk for the palm tree. It's easy. Cover the stick with coconut fiber. Lily, how are you doing? And the friend has the big leaves ready. Great! Attach them to the trunk. It looks great. It looks like a real palm tree. Lily, we need more building materials. But construction is so tiring. Except the indoor lawn is terribly uncomfortable to lie on. We need a lounge chair. We'll get you one, my friend. And to begin with, let's assemble a model from pipes and adapters. You can handle any construction problem when your friend is around. The lounge chair looks very comfortable. There is only one small detail left. Let's make the chair nice and soft. Cut a foam rubber tube and attach it on the crossbars. It couldn't be easier. Lily, look what I found. Oh, yes. Now this is a royal throne. Rest, Lily. How about a drink? Oh, a Coke? Thank you. Oh, I almost forgot. The palm tree will settle by the Chase Lounge. This is what a VIP vacation is all about. Jane, I know how to decorate the home beach with a surfboard. The construction blueprint is ready. Let's cut the construction panels. And now we connect the parts. A couple of minutes and the decorative board is ready. Lily, would you like to paint? I'd love to. Let's make it bright. There's no limit to imagination. Lily and Jane are creating a masterpiece. Hey, who's throwing shoes? That's a great idea. Jane, we can make a beach garland. Repeat after me. Let's paint a flip-flop and decorate it with stickers. But we need more beach shoes. Even more. And now for the best part. Let's attach the flip-flops to the rope. Use clothespins. And the garland is ready. Wow, look how bright it is. What a stylish decoration! And no more messy flip-flops! Lily, our board! That's right, we almost forgot. The board will go on this wall. Wow, almost like the real thing. That's nice, Jane. I know, right? It makes me want to surf. Oh, I think this would make a great place for a swing. I wish I could untangle this rope. Jane has another task. The board won't saw itself. Jane is good at it. And then we assemble the swing and attach it to the ceiling bracket. Let's test our invention. Jane will be the first to try it. Yay! It works! Lily, how about a couple of pictures? Will do, Jane. No, something's wrong. Jane, that's not right. The swing doesn't look beachy at all. Let's decorate the ropes with craft paper. Twist it and add some leaves and flowers. Decorate the swing with homemade tropical vines. That's much better. Wow. Jane looks like she's on a sunny beach. Come on, Jane, say aloha. Now for the most important thing, the pool. That's a tricky one. Jane, we need boards and lots of tape. The building materials are already in place, so we're good to go. First, we make a wooden frame for the pool. It looks good. The pool will be so roomy. And now the edges. How many boards do we need? 5. Already there! Let's place the boards in the corners and fasten them to the base. Cover the sides too, and the empty spots. I'll take it from here, Jane. The pool awaits its moment. But how do we fill it with water? It's very simple, Lily. Follow me. This sturdy film will hold water. Cover the frame and attach the ends under the boards. I like it, Jane. It's so cozy here. Hey, what are you doing? Lily, there's no time to rest. Let's do the decor. Let's cover the boards with fabric and decorate the boards with airy tulle. Lily, we're not done yet. I'll be right there. Go, girl. I can do this by myself. There will be a wooden walkway leading to the pool. So convenient. Jane will love it. And the friend didn't come back empty-handed. That's a good idea. All roads lead to the home beach. I need your help, Jane. Coming, Lily. It's about time we filled the pool with water. Soon we will be able to swim at the beach. And, of course, there's a refreshment. Who will be the first to get a Chase Lounge? The seating area is already in full bloom. This isn't Hawaii. Our home beach is much better. And Lily still has things to do. We should make a floating drink coaster. Let's cut pool noodles, pierce them with chopsticks, and assemble a mini stand. Don't forget the sides. The drinks can't fall into the water. We did it! And Jane is already on the lookout for a tasty treat. But it's too early to eat. Let's make some treats. Fruit canapes would be great right now. Who wants a snack? Oh, yeah! We have a palm tree with coconuts. Come here, my precious. Now we are going to roast marshmallows. We need half a coconut. Put a candle in it and make a mini fire. Cooking like a chef. That smells good. It tastes great too. Lily, come quick. Wow, you already made a raft. Help yourself. Jane, this is delicious. Let's start our vacation. Time for the pool. Jane, we need to throw a beach party. You're right, Lily. Everyone is invited. And the friends didn't need to be asked twice. They are already here. Girls, welcome to our resort. Would you like some refreshments? Take your pick, Ashley. The Aloha Bar has everything. Oh, what a difficult choice. I don't know where to start. But the chefs know how to surprise their guests. Here's a fruit stick. Bon appetit, Ashley. Wow. This is so good, Jane. What's in the seating area? The lounge chair is already taken. Christy decided to sunbathe. But there's so much more to see here. The beach swing is so fun, but it tastes better behind the bar.
Wow.
On such a hot day, you can't go anywhere without cool drinks. We did it, Lily. Vacation right at home. It's a dream. But vacations can be made even more fun, right? Lily, look. There's someone in the water. Oh, my goodness. It's going to eat us. Come on, girl. It's just a toy. Look, no dangerous creatures on the home beach. Just the pool and total relaxation.